Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is July the 6th. First I want to apologize for not putting a video up yesterday because I actually thought that I recorded the video on the 4th for yesterday and scheduled it to come out. But what happened was when I did the video on the 4th for the 4th, while it was uploading, my neighbor come and needed some help. So I went and helped my neighbor and completely forgot to record yesterday's video because I knew yesterday I wasn't going to have time to do it. So I'm sorry about that. So let's get started on today's. Like I said, today is July the 6th. And the devotion is Consolation. Whenever my busy thoughts were out of control, the soothing comfort of your presence calmed me down and overwhelmed me with delight. Psalms 94:19. How often do we experience anxiety? Like mold, one worry builds upon another until a fuzzy, foul surface completely obsesses our peace. This is a verse to memorize. When stress leads to worry, worry to anxiety, anxiety threatens to give way to panic. God consoles us. Call to Him. Remember Him in the midst of all that swirling chaos. He won't just soothe you, He will delight your soul. God, thank you for showing me how easy it is to obliterate the overgrown anxiety of my thoughts. Your face, your light, and your goodness drowns them out the moment I turn my attention to you. The nighttime. If all God did was take away our fears and quiet our anxiety, our gratitude would still run deep, but He doesn't stop. Loving Father that He is, He doesn't leave us simply feeling better. He takes our wringing hands and raises them up. He silences fears by overwhelming us with delight. And the question of the day is, surrender every anxiety to God and see the way He ushers in peace, laughter, and joy. My anxiety is better today, but I still have anxiety. If I go into crowded places, I have anxiety and start to have panic attacks. And yes, God does help. I might have to keep saying, you know, God, please help me through this. It's right. As soon as you say that, it calms you down. So I will memorize that verse because that is very important. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.